I had to do it.
Oh Lord, just wait enough.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rolando here. If you're new, welcome. My name is Rolando, but you can call me Ro, because you guys tend to my name a lot. Call me Ro. I have a business called RohairbyRoh. I do hair, and also I created the Roh Hair Collection, which is a collection of hair care products that you can use some for your wigs and weaves, or you can use some for your natural hair. So if you want to check it out, you can check the website that I will be linked down here. Yeah, so for today's video, we're gonna install a wig on my girl Shondell. You guys have seen her on the channel before. She hit me up because I did a wig for her for a birthday, I believe in last year, and she wanted to revamp that. So we talked about it, and we came up with the color chocolate. So I hit up my local Sally Beauties just right up the road. They know me there, so it's always good vibes. Because of the lockdown, they're only doing curbside pickup, so I wasn't able to go in store and walk around to see the colors that I would want. So I called them on the phone. She walked through the store with me while on the phone. We discuss colors, because I told her I'm aiming for a chocolate brown color. So she would tell me the color code, I would type it in online, check out the color, and then we went from there. So I came across this new hair dye, and it's by Argan Oil. It's Argan Oil, and it's in the color 4CH, and it's a permanent medium chocolate brown. This is the box that it comes in. And it comes in a tube. I really like this chocolate color. I feel like if you're someone that don't really like black or natural brown hair, but you don't want it to be like a light honey brown, I feel like this is the perfect chocolate brown color for your hair. So check it out at your local Sally Beauty. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. And guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. That's how this channel will grow. And I can't wait to share some more amazing content with you guys. So now I'm just sleeking back her edges with some Roh Hair Edge Control. You guys need to get one because this is an amazing edge control. It has a strong hold, and it makes the hair very sleek. So yep, check out the Roh Hair website and you guys can get one for yourself. And I'm just trying on the wig to test it out. I know she loved that color. I love it too, the chocolate color. It's really nice. So put on the wig cap. You guys already know this step. We're gonna put the wig cap on, cut out the ear tabs, use some Roh Hair lace adhesive to go around the hairline for the cap to stay down. Then I'm gonna apply some makeup that matches her skin tone before we proceed with the install. Now I'm just cutting off the excess cap off for the install. My ball cap method is improving, which I'm very proud of. Take your time whenever you're doing it, guys. It's not a rush. Take your time and you'll master it. Don't even worry about it. So now I'm just putting some makeup onto the wig, and then we're gonna go in and clean up our hairline before we start applying the glue and start putting the wig on for the install. Y'all, I'm using the Roh Hair lace adhesive. You don't know, I don't use no other type of lace glue at all. This is the only one that I use, and it's really amazing. it dries really fast. If you take a look at the video, you'll see how fast it dries. Then I go in and apply the second coat. I won't be talking as much in this video because you guys already know what I'm gonna say and the things that I'm gonna do. If my technique changes, then I'll definitely let you guys know what the change is. But for now, you guys already know what it is, so continue watching. So now I'm about to put the wig on after the glue turns clear. I'm gonna have her help me to hold the sides down and then use the comb to kind of comb the lace into the glue, and then going with the blow dryer to kind of dry the glue. And yeah, then I'm gonna wrap the hair up, tie it down with an elastic band, and for it to melt further. She's actually one of the first ones that I introduced to the Roh Hair Hold, which is our holding spray, and the Roh Hair Growth, which is our air growth oil. So yeah, that's what I'm showing her. And for this wig, we're gonna do a half up, half down. So I'm just straightening out the hair. And if you guys saw earlier, there's a widow's peak. I did that myself because I know her hairline is different, and I wanted to give an extra whatever you call it, but yeah, just sit back, watch the video. I won't be talking as much like I said earlier. Yeah, everything is pretty much self-explanatory. And it's always good vibes when Shonda is in the chair. We talk about so much. Yeah, the conversations are always good. It always feels like a therapy session. We both feel amazing by the time we're done. So yeah, I always look forward to those interactions with my clients. I'm not friends with all of my clients, but I'm gonna have that good conversation with them, if you know what I mean. Like, look upon that, Mana ask Christ, that's melted very nicely. So now I'm about to go in and cut out the ear tabs. Yeah, and then we're gonna part out some hair for the baby hairs. We're gonna spray a little spray there, tie it down, and we're gonna melt that down even more. So we're gonna tie it up again. But yeah. And don't stress, even after you tie it down, there's still lace lifting. You can always go in with some glue and do some touch-ups and before you tie it down again. So don't stress out yourself. I'm a very perfectionist when it comes to doing certain styles, so you'll see me go in multiple times, redo the ponytail. I'm gonna go in with some spritz to kind of stiffen it for a sleek look, and then use the blow dryer to kind of put all that all up in one. But yeah, if you have to redo the ponytail 3-4 times, then do it, as long as you're doing everything that you can to make your client happy. So that is it for this install, loves. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll definitely be posting more hair videos in the future. But yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day, and just stay as safe as you can, because this COVID thing is not it. So take care, guys.